we're gonna go ahead and do my hair first, and then I will show you guys the makeup. For my hair, as you guys can see right now, sis does not have the inches. Oh, but I do. This is a collaboration with Korea Extension. I've been using these extensions for such a long time. I've been rocking with them for a minute now. I really love them. I feel like the hair is great quality. Everything about them I really do recommend. These are the 18 inches. You guys can go ahead and pick these up on Korea.com. The link to mine will be down below. Also, the link to all the other shades of extensions. This is in the shade Off Black, and it matches my hair like perfectly. So anytime you guys see me with like longer hair, pretty much all my videos I'm wearing extensions. If I have like a long ponytail, bitch, it's Korea. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. So I always like to do my hair before I do my makeup. It's because like I sweat when I do my hair. Don't judge me, but I do. So I don't like to have like my full face done yet. Otherwise I'll sweat it off. I already did my baby hairs. My baby hairs are the first thing that I do. And then we're going to separate this. Someone said I look like one of those K-pop boys with my little uneven hair, and I agree. Okay, so we're gonna separate this. I like to put some gel on it before I start braiding, and then comb it through. I'm gonna move up my mirror a little bit. Sorry if it's in like a big part of the frame, but it's because I'm blind and I can't see it if it's over there. It's so much easier to do French braids and braid your hair when you don't have nails, you guys. I've actually been taking a break from my acrylics since it ripped off half my nail. I don't know if you guys saw that. Yeah, that was real painful. I thought I had to go to like the emergency room or something, you guys. Like, my hand was literally shaking. Oh, my arm hurts. Okay, so half my head is done. We're gonna go ahead and work on the other half now. These don't have to be like super precise. I like it a little bit messy. It just keeps my hair out of the way. And when I would go to school, I would like my hair to be out of the way so that I can focus. Alright, so now that we have our little braids done, we're gonna go ahead and work on the extensions. So the first thing that I like to do is separate my hair. I'm not gonna straighten my hair just because I don't really feel like I need to, considering I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. But I'm gonna show you guys the extensions again, even though I've showed you like 100 times. The first one that I'm going to use is a 3 weft. So we have little clips here, and then we have the hair. Again, this is 100% natural human hair, so someone really grew this so that I could have inches, and I think that's a beautiful thing. So typically, like, my pattern is the 3 weft, and then I use 2 of the 4 wefts. So we're going in with the 1 4 weft now. I've used these extensions so many times, and you can curl them, you can straighten them. I've used them with my hair waver. You can really do like anything that you can with regular hair with these. And then I have another 4 weft one. And then I'm gonna use a little 2 weft one because that's what there's space for. So these extensions, each pack comes with 2 4 wefts, 2 3 wefts, 2 2 wefts, and then 4 1 wefts. And that is enough. Like, it's really all you need for your hair. And now we're all done with the hair portion. Okay, so for most of these hairstyles, you want to start off with your baby hairs laid. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. What I like to do is put all my hair back first to get like a good base, and then you see kind of where everything pulls back and where you're going to lay them. The gel that I'm using is my Eco Professional Styling Gel. This is from Sally's. So I just use like a little spoolie. Pretty much the same spoolie that I use to do my brows. And I just go along like the natural area of where my hair separates. So I do that. And then I just kind of go along with my finger as well to like smush it down a little bit. You go in with the second one. And you want to make sure that the hairs like don't overlap. You want it to be like a clean little line. We'll accept it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. And then we're done. I like to have my hair already straightened. It's not like super straight, but it'll work. And just go ahead and brush it out. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair off the little one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clip up the rest. There we go. And then we have a nice little bottom section there. We have our extensions here. I was wearing them earlier, so that's why they look like a little mess. The first one I'm gonna get is the 3 weft, but I'm gonna go ahead and comb through them. And what's pretty important for this ponytail, or whenever you do like a updo in general with extensions, is how you put them in, because sometimes when you put extensions in and you put your hair forward, like this little one pops off. So instead of clipping them on like this, we're gonna go ahead and clip them on backwards, like inside out a little bit. So to do this, I put my hair up and I put it over the extensions. And then flip it out, smooth it out. And then when you guys see we put it to the front, the pieces that go along your neck are the longer ones. And then like when you put your hair up, this part is gonna cover the little pieces. I pretty much only do that one with the bottom one. You don't have to do it with all of them. Maybe it'll work better if you do it with all of them, but it's low-key like a lot of work and not really down. So I'm just separating my hair again, another layer. As you guys can see, we have 4 little clips there. And we're just gonna brush her out and then just apply her like normal. And pretty much this whole thing just like, it takes some getting used to. The more you do it, the easier it is and the faster you'll be able to do it. If you guys haven't noticed, I haven't parted my hair yet. And I typically do that last. Oh my god, I look like an ostrich. You guys just pretend that I don't look like that right now. And what I was saying about my part was that I kind of do that last just because it takes me some time to figure out where I want it to be. I'm gonna make sure that my part is clean using a little rat tail comb. And then I'm gonna go in with some gel. So you just get this as you would any normal one. Just want to make sure like your hair is blended with. And then I'm gonna go in with my little rat tail comb and some gel and just begin flattening it out. This is probably one of the parts that takes the longest just because you want it to be really nice and smooth. Once you feel like you've gotten it, I'm gonna tie her up. And then tighten it until you can't feel your brain. You guys can go ahead and like recurl the ponytail if that's what you want to do. You can go ahead and like wave it, braid it, whatever. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this as we move on to the next hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, I'm starting off with the extensions still on like the bottom portion of my hair, and we're just gonna section this off so that it doesn't get caught in with what I'm doing up top. That, and you're done with the hairstyle. Really cute, very chic. I'm going to get these little pieces of hair, and then I'm going to go in with a little rat tail comb and just separate with that. I'm so fucking dead. As straight, actually, wow, this is real straight. Now that you have it as straight as you can, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some gel in here. What a surprise. And we're just gonna French braid these back. If you don't know how to French braid, I'm gonna have a little thing over here. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do it on my hair, just because on dark hair you wouldn't even be able to see it really. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a little piece. If you guys want thicker pieces, you can go ahead and do that. And then I just like to keep braiding it to the end. Little rubber band. And tie this up. We're gonna go ahead and do this on both sides and then prepare for the rest of the hair. Mine are not perfect, and I'm not gonna redo them until they are, because you guys get what I'm trying to do. So now we're gonna undo the rest of the hair. If you guys want, you can leave it like this. One second. Technical difficulty. If you guys want, you can leave it like this as like a half up, half down, and then just kind of curl it. If you do leave it like this, I really recommend adding like a couple little single wefts in the back just to add some volume, or even like around the sides too. Look how this has a hairstyle. Look. So this is the second hairstyle you guys can do if you want to leave your hair down. Or you could go ahead and put it into a ponytail like I'm gonna do. And then boom, there you have a nice long ponytail with some little braids. So if you guys aren't into the whole like plain ponytail look, you guys can go ahead and add these braids right at the top. And then there you have it. This is our third hairstyle. You could also put this up to a bun as well, and it would look super cute too. The last two hairstyles that I'm gonna do kind of go hand in hand. Oh, why can I not take this out? Kind of go hand in hand together. So we're just gonna go ahead and fill up our head with extensions for the half up, half down look. And I'm not gonna part my hair with this, so we don't really need to worry about that. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair. And tie this up. Do the coyotes not care that I'm filming? I'm gonna get a single weft thing, and we're gonna cover those little hairs right up to the wrist. I clip this one right under and wrap it around the rubber band, and then I just go ahead and pin that back And then you have your little half up, half down. And if I had the time and my camera battery wasn't dying, I would go ahead and curl this so you guys can see how cute it looks. And the very last thing that you can do is go ahead and put this into a little bun. And then just pin it. There you go. Alright you guys, so that was pretty much it for my little hairstyles video. This was 5 different hairstyles that you guys can achieve with clip-in extensions. I will leave links to my extensions right down below and you guys can go ahead and check those out if you like them. If you guys go ahead and try out any of these looks, go ahead and post pictures and make sure you tag me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.